This is an oil change on the 2022 Jayco Precept 31UL motorhome. It has a Godzilla V8 7.3 liter engine. Here's what you'll need: 8 quarts of motor oil filter, a catch can that can hold at least 9 quarts of oil, filter to put in the new oil filter wrench, and a 15mm wrench to take off the drain plug. Start off by running the engine to warm up the oil. Remove oil fill cap. Drain old oil. Remove the oil filter. Check that the old oil filter's O-ring isn't stuck to the mounting surface. Pre-fill the new filter with fresh oil and dab some oil on the rubber O-ring. Screw new filter on by hand until tight. Replace drain plug. Add 7 quarts of oil to the new oil using funnel. Start the engine, let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then shut it off. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle. Check the dipstick. It should be in the hashed area between the min and max. Add oil until near max. Check for leaks. Use the information display on the steering wheel to reset the oil life monitor. Scroll to driver assist, maintenance monitor, oil life percent, hold to reset. Hold the OK button until message reads reset complete. And that concludes the oil change on a Godzilla V8 7.3 liter engine.